Kay Arsi, happy birthday nang. Sana dakal pang birthday datang ka at ali kang maging pasaway, lagi kang makira ng kang daddy, ang po kang mami. Galing mo sumayaw nang. Ingkaya kang pamag-aral, lagi mong sasamasan nenang. Lalo ko, honor ka ken. Love you. Happy birthday ulit, bebe.
Happy birthday, RC! Happy birthday, RC! Oh. Happy birthday, RC! Hi, everyone! Hi, RC! Happy birthday! I love you! I miss you! Hello, C! Happy birthday! I miss you! Hello, RC. Happy birthday. I love you. Miss you.
Ikaw, yay.
Birthday, RC. You're so pretty. Birthday, RC. Love you. Happy birthday, RC. Love you. Happy birthday, RC. Love you. Happy birthday, RC. Love you.
Happy birthday, RC.
Ate always love you.
Enjoy your day.
Hi! Happy birthday, RC! God bless!
Hi, RC. Happy at birthday, baby. I love you so much. We miss you. Love you, nanay.
Hi, C! Happy birthday! Stay mabait, stay matalino, at sana mas ayusin mo pa yung pag-aaral mo. Mahal na mahal ka ni ate. And dapat huwag kang tutulad kay ate na pasaway.
Hello, baby RC. Happy birthday, my sweet baby girl. Always good health and may all dreams come true. Enjoy your day and always keep safe and more birthday to come. I love you, baby. Happy birthday.
Hi, Be. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Stay intelligent and be a good girl always, baby. Miss you na.
Hi RC, happy 4th birthday to you. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay sana lagi kang masaya sa pag-i-school. Sana nag-enjoy kang pumasok sa school. Sana lagi kang malusog, iwas sa sakit. And of course, syempre, sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos para mag-guide ka palagi. So, again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, RC Tot pala, Tot. Sana happy ka sa birthday mo. Lagi ka mag-iingat. At sana magpakabait ka. Kung matigas na ulo sa magulang mo, huwag mo ko gayahin. Happy birthday!
Hi, RC. Happy birthday. Love you.
Sam. Hi, C. Happy birthday. I love you, bebe. Hindi ako naman kinustay.
RC, happy birthday! Papunta na kami na Mendilo na iba. I love you.
Hi RC, ayun, ako yung isa sa mga ninong mo na fresh at bata. Joke lang. Ayun, wag mo pababayaan yung pag-aaral mo, mag-enjoy ka lagi sa school mo. Lagi kang makikinig sa mga matatanda sa'yo, especially yung mama mo, tsaka yung papa mo. Kasi alam nila yung makakabuti sa'yo. Dapat makikinig ka lagi kasi maldita ka pa man din at makulit. Wag mo din kakalimutan si Papa Jesus. Lagi ka nagpe-pray ha, tuwing gabi, umaga, kahit saan gusto mo. Huwag mo siyang kakalimutan. Ayun, happy birthday lang. Sana stay healthy and more blessings to your family. And yun lang. Sana matupad yung pangarap mo. Uy. Happy birthday, RC!
Happy birthday, RC. Stay matalino. Maana kay Kuya Harrison. Love you.
Hey RC, mag-aral ka na maayos. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. I love you, RC.
Hello, RC. Happy birthday. Sana pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo. I love you.
Hi, Hi, Hershey. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Bebe! Happy birthday! Sama-sama yung pamag-aral mo. I love you, si Miss you. Sam-sam.
David.